Well, this is a 2012 Toyota Sienna, and I am having a little problem because I've never changed the rear wiper blade, and it looks pretty good right now, but this is what it looked like this morning. You can see the lines where the heated window went on, but it still doesn't do any good because there's too much moisture. I can't see out of the back, so I need a new wiper blade. And in the mornings when I get up, it's all foggy back here. I don't need a wiper for the rain because I'm not going backwards real fast into the rain where I need it, but I need it for the foggy stuff that gets there in the morning. The problem with these back blades that you may have experienced is, where do you get them? If you go to Costco, they don't have back blades. You go to Chief Auto Supply or something like that, they don't stock the blades. So how do you find out what blade you need for this car? The easy way to do it is just go to an AI chatbot, GPT or something like that. And they not only gave me the model number and the part number and all that kind of stuff, but they even told me where to get it. And I ended up just having it sent to me through Amazon. Now, when you have something like this, I have this problem where I can't get up here underneath to bring this down where I can work on it. So what I'm going to do is turn the ignition on, turn the wiper on, and then I'm going to turn it off when I see the wiper come down vertical here. And then I can go ahead and do the change job I need to do. Let's take a look. Now you can see this blade's in a position where I can lift it up and I can pull the blade forward and take this out and replace it. I'll show you how that's done in a close-up with the blades not on the car. So I thought I was ordering just the replacement blade, but what I ended up getting was the arm and the blade. And my arm is okay on the car, but since I bought this, I'm going to put the new one on. But it allows us to take a look. This is what the end of the blade looks like. It may be different on your car. And you just look in here and you can say, oh, okay, this little thing here has to fit under this cylinder. So you would go in like this, push it in, and pull down. And that's all there is to it. What I'm going to have to do, though, is disconnect. There's a bolt right here on the top of mine underneath that wind spoiler, and I'm going to have to unloosen that and set it down. So I'm going to try to do that right now. Now we're looking underneath the spoiler, and you can see right here I've got to get an adjustable wrench around that, loosen it, take it off, and then slip my new one on, and that should be the replacement for me. Okay, it's time to test it out. So I'm going to put a little Windex on the window so I don't scratch it when I turn on my new blade. Jump in the car, hit the ignition, and let's see how it works. There it is, squeaky clean and doing what I needed it to do. Thanks for watching. I hope you have good luck with yours.